Hello, friends. Welcome back. Today, we will learn something very powerful, how to think in English in any situation. Many learners say, I can read English, I can understand English, but when I try to speak, I stop. I think in my own language first, then I translate, then I forget words. If this happens to you, don't worry. You are not alone. In this lesson, I will show you step by step how to train your brain to think in English directly. This is the secret to fluency, so let's begin. First, let's understand why this is important. When you translate, your brain becomes slow. You use the wrong words. You lose confidence. But when you think in English, you speak faster, you sound natural, and you feel more confident. It's like driving a car. If you stop every second, the car will never move smoothly. But if you drive without stopping, you enjoy the road. The same is true for English. You must keep your brain in English without stopping to translate. Now, the question is, how can we start? Let me give you some simple steps. Step 1 is to start with simple English. You don't need big or difficult words. For example, instead of saying, I am exhausted, just say, I am very tired. Simple English is powerful English. Step 2 is to talk to yourself in English. Every day, describe your own actions. For example, say, I am brushing my teeth. I am drinking water. I am going to class. This kind of practice trains your brain to think naturally. Step 3 is to ask questions and answer them in English. Make small conversations with yourself in your mind. For example, what should I eat? Answer, I will eat rice. Where am I going? Answer, I am going to the market. It may look simple, but it is very effective. Step 4 is to name things around you. Look at the objects near you and say their names in English. Chair, table, phone, bag. This looks very easy, but it slowly connects English words to your real life. Your brain begins to choose English automatically. Step 5 is to practice daily situations. Imagine yourself in common places. At a shop, you can say, how much is this? At a restaurant, you can say, I want chicken with rice, please. With a friend, you can say, let's go for a walk. At a bus stop, you can say, I am waiting for the bus. These small sentences will prepare your brain for real conversations. Let's add some extra tips. First, use pictures, not translation. When you see an apple, don't think of the word in your own language. Just connect the picture of the apple to the English word apple. Second, think in English before sleeping. At night, review your day in English. For example, say, today I went to class. I met my friend. We studied together. I came home and ate dinner. This is very good practice for your brain. Third, use your imagination. When you are walking, imagine conversations in English. Pretend you are ordering food, asking for directions, or meeting someone new. Finally, don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes mean you are learning. Even native speakers make mistakes. The goal is communication, not perfection. Thinking in English is not magic. It is a skill, and every skill needs practice. The more you practice, the stronger your English brain becomes. Start small, just 5 minutes every day. Then slowly increase to 10 minutes, then 15 minutes. After 1 month, you will notice a big change. You will start speaking faster and you will feel more confident. So today we learned how to think in English in any situation. Start with simple English. Talk to yourself. Ask and answer questions. Name things around you. Imagine daily situations and practice every day. If you do this, English will become your thinking language. And when English is your thinking language, speaking becomes easy. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more simple and powerful English lessons. And tell me in the comments, today, what is one English sentence you will think first? See you in the next video. Bye for now.